guys, today we're doing something a little different. As you guys will see in the future videos, I had a tank leak. Not quite sure what caused it just yet, but I figure while everything is taken apart, we might as well take care of that dent on there. We made it to the Wyo Dent Co here in Cheyenne. We're gonna go inside and meet Eddie. He's the one that's in charge of this place. So he'll kind of give us a little tour, and then we'll go ahead and be able to take care of the dents.
This is our shop here. Come on back. This is where we do estimates for hail. Pull the car under. When you light this up, shows all the dents. As you can see, this truck here shows all the dents on it. This is where we put the rod over here in this section here, keep it nice and clean. The rest is dents and windshields. So what we have here is we've got a dent on a gas tank on a Yamaha. As you can see right here, there's a body line that comes through here. On gas tanks, dents look worse, and they're usually harder to push out and pop out because they're so rounded, considering a dent on a car. But as you can see, what we're going to do is there's a body line right here. We're going to get that out first, and then we have a crown, it's called, which is, and this pushes in, it pushes an area high here and here. So as we work the dent out, we're going to knock those in just to make the dent go like this. And we use our light to create a shadow so that we can see the dent better. We're going to use this hole here on the bottom to start pushing. A year ago, I would have said, no, you're not filming me. that for 15 minutes.